Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. You can see question number 3 is there, and this question is present in page number 119 of chapter 10, work and energy. Let's solve this question and hopefully you will all enjoy and will able to understand that how to solve this question. Very interesting question is there. The question is the kinetic energy of an object of mass m. So here we have to consider an object. This object is having mass as m. This object is moving with a velocity of 5 meter per second, and the object kinetic energy is given as 25 joule. Then further the question is, what will be the kinetic energy? What will be the kinetic energy? Let it be kinetic energy 1 when the velocity is doubled. This is the condition. And the third part is, what will be the kinetic energy when its velocity is increased by 3 times. So first of all, we should know that an equation, kinetic energy is for a moving object is given as half mv square, where m is the mass of object and v is velocity of the object. Now here in the initial part of the question, mass m is given, velocity is given, and kinetic energy is given. So just see the formula. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So we need to place kinetic energy as 25 joule, half, multiply with mass m is given and velocity is given 5 meter per second. As it is v square, so it will be under whole square. Now 25 joule is equal to half, multiply with m, 5 square is 25 meter square upon second square. Now this 25 and 25 will get cancelled and m will be equal to 2. As it is mass, so it will be in kg. So the mass of an object we have found here is 2 kg. Now for the second part of the question, we need to see that kinetic energy is given as half mv square. Now here we need to find out this kinetic energy when the velocity is doubled. So half, here the mass we have just found as 2 kg. Now the velocity is getting doubled. This v means v1 will become 2 times of v. So it will be, the new velocity is 2 times of previous velocity. So it will be 2v whole square. So it will be half, multiply with 2 kg, multiply with 2 to the 4 v square. Then this 2 and 2 cancel. It is 4v square. V is given as 5 meter per second whole square. So 5 5 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100. It is 100 joule. So this much amount of energy will be the kinetic energy when velocity of the object is getting doubled. Let's go for the third case. Here the velocity of the object, that is v2, is getting 3 times the previous velocity. So 3 times the previous velocity, that is v. So 3 is multiplied with v as 5 meter per second in the question. So 5 is 15 meter per second. Now as per the question, kinetic energy is equal to, that is kinetic energy 2 equal to half mv square. Here the v is v2. Now it is half. Mass we have just found as 2 kg. v2 will be, we have just found here, 15 meter per second. So 15 meter per second whole square. So it is 2 and 2 get cancelled. 15 square is 225, and if we just cancel out these values in the form of units, we will get down as 225 joule of kinetic energy will be there when velocity of the object is getting 3 times. So this is how we will solve this question, and hopefully all the students will be able to understand. And I'm looking forward that all these students who are visiting to my channel get a regular questions should coming out from the textbooks, and hopefully you will be able to get benefited of these videos.